Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to enter data in tables. At a time of entering data, we have to consider some points. So, we have created two tables. One is a city mast and another is a customer mast. So, in which table we have to first enter data? So, first find the primary key table which doesn't contain any foreign keys. So CityMast is the one table which doesn't contain any foreign key. So first we have to enter the data in CityMast table. So to enter the data in CityMast table, right click on the CityMast table and select Show Table Data. It will open one new tab and ask for entering data. We have given primary key to city code and auto increment to this column. So no need to enter the data in city code, but we have to enter the data in city name. So I am writing Pune, means I am entering the data in city name Jaipur. So this is the way by which we can enter the data in primary key table. Now let's enter the data in foreign key table. So open the foreign key table. We can directly enter the name of customer. So write the name of the customer in name column. I am writing Hitesh. Note that city is the foreign key column and it is related with city mass table. So we have to write city code, not city name, because we have given relationship to city code. So if I want to set the city of the Hitesh to Ahmedabad, so I have to write here 4 number, which is the city code of Ahmedabad, and enter the address of Hitesh, Raipur. Now I am making another entry, Ashok and city to Bombay, which have code 2, address to Bandra. So we have entered 4 rows in this customer mass table and we have entered particular city code for each customer. So this is the way by which we can enter the data in the table. Most important thing to consider is foreign key relationship. When we are entering data in tables, we must have to first enter the data in primary key table. After that, we can enter data in foreign key tables. So relationship doesn't get violated. So this is about how to enter the data in tables. Thank you.